Hey there, Kimmy. Thanks for opting into the video critique like normal. I'm excited to see what you've come up with here. And thanks for saying that you appreciate the critiques I do. That's always good to hear. I hope you continue to design. You have a really good knack for it. I'm assuming you've been designing before, but you just have some really, really good intuition and ability to apply those design principles. So let's take a look at this. I like your size differences for your type. This is nice in italics. This is nice and big. Colors look good. Very McDonald's, but McDonald's Canada, which is interesting. Here is the campaign. That looks nice. I like seeing all three of those. This gradient looks good. Perhaps this is a little bit too high in this box. Try to make sure this O is perfectly horizontally centered on this line, okay? I feel like this is a tiny bit too close to these. You could maybe move these down a little bit. Just a tiny bit more space here would help, okay? These look really good with the placement, though. This looks the same as this. They look to be the same distance from the edge of the page, which is great. Okay, this is fun. Ooh, like a bookmark almost. Coming down off the page and like a red ribbon bookmark. This is what that reminds me of. Okay, good type. Let's see where this stops. Is that the same as where this one stopped? Let's see. Pretty much. Yep, I think it is. Okay, good. We want to make sure that's consistent. Placement here looks good. This is your analysis of their ad. Okay, soft background gradient. I like how these are broken up, how they're breaking into the line. That's fun. Wait. Okay. I thought I saw a hyphen, but it's a hyphen in the middle of the word, which is appropriate. Focal point, character silhouette. These are all starting the same width from here to here. These are the things I'm going to be looking for consistency. Your draw overs look really nice. I like those. You could maybe pull this box to the right a little bit because you're overlapping here, but you're not here. You have it touching. Maybe you just need to pull it down a little bit. Whatever you're doing, just try to make it consistent. That's super, super nitpicky, but since you have it touching the edges of a few of these elements, maybe have it touching all the way around. Centered on the 12 noon lunchtime. Okay, good. You don't have periods after each of those. That's also consistent. Now we're talking about typography. Oh, this looks slightly different. You have a little bit more space here than you do on this P. I'd try to make it maybe a little bit more space, like you have on the G for the P, perhaps. A little bit more white space on either side. Cursive font. Very nice. Okay, good. Analysis. Queen Elizabeth. Now this is the one you did. Oh my goodness. That looks great. Really good. I'm assuming you added this drop shadow down here. What's this? What do they have on there? Oh, at 2016 McDonald's. Okay. You could say at 2019 Kimi. That's a copyright, not an at symbol, but okay. That was kind of a joke, but you totally could and make it consistent. This looks so good. Their drop shadow gradient is maybe a bit darker than yours is, but it might actually just be the contrast of the yellow. You know what? I bet it is. Sometimes your eye plays tricks and things look darker because it's just by comparison. Your new ad looks so good. Consistencies. Nice. Strong closing page. This looks wonky. Maybe you got to clean that up a little bit if you can. the white behind it. Okay? And maybe a tiny bit there because you can see this bigger. All right? I don't have a ton of critique for you. This is very, very strong first draft. All right, really, really good start. I'm liking it overall. This will probably be very similar to what you will hear in your final critique with all the things I like, but a few things to tidy up maybe. Nothing too big, very tiny detail things will just make it perfect. Okay, but really, really strong first draft. All right, thanks, Kimmy.